Alright folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here, out here at the Avon Park, taking up the Marlin again. Loving this jet. Loving this jet. I'm going to do a nice slow pass.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Almost a coordinated turn there, like with a cub. See if I can do that again. I can. Running at high rates, which is 100% throws with 30% expo all the way around. Well, that wind caught me at the end, didn't it? Move, bird. Oh, that's a wonderful, handsome jet. How about that? I always say that's a good looking plane. And yeah, it is a good looking plane.
Takeoff flaps.
All right, we'll try it just with takeoff flaps this time. Okay, that didn't go as well. Oh, there's a hole there. Yeah, I don't want to try flying out of that grass. So, let's see.
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up.
Man, I am really enjoying this jet. Lesson learned though, don't land it into the wind with flaps on. But that really should be that way with any. Oh, I'm way down there. Now see, my depth perception isn't always the greatest.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Get it nice and level. There we go. Man, I'm loving this jet. I gotta put some lights on it though, and not just those easy lights you stick on. I mean, those are nice. Oh man, did you see that? I didn't realize I was that close to power line. Well, shoot. Well, I just told you my depth perception wasn't that good. Well, I think that's going to be okay though. I think she's going to be all right, because I think she went into some soft grass there, didn't catch the power, didn't stay in the power line, which is great. So I'm going to turn this off while I walk. All right, folks, here's the wreckage. Shoot. Not all that bad.
Take off flaps.
Uh-huh.
Landing flaps.
Hey. Oh, man. Well, let's see. Let's look at our damage here. We got a chunk of the wing missing, chunk of the fuselage missing, but that's good. Well, looks like I'll buy a new wing, and yeah, the gear's kind of bent, but hey. All right, technically she's flyable with us right now. All right, well, thank you for watching. There was my walk of shame. So, oh, the hatch is messed up too. Well, all right, there we go. Oh, you know what? Something you need to do when you go to crash. You need special electrics. You need to unplug your battery. There you go. All right, folks, thank you for watching. It's Fat Guy Flies RC. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless. Hello, Fat Guy Flies RC here. I'm just showing you the damage to the Marlin. The hatch comes off no problem, and it secures back down with no problem. The nose is really crunched, and this is the damage to the wing. Let me sorry, I'm up trying to hold the camera. So not horribly significant to the wing. However, apparently I missed collecting all the foam off the field, because as you can see, I'm missing a considerable amount of foam, and there's two small pieces there, but they're all so crunched that it's going to be nearly impossible to fit those back together. But that's what I'm missing, so I think it's repairable. I may just have to come up with an alternative for the nose cone. The wing is a little bit easier. Thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. I did check all the servos, electronics, everything else though is fine. There's also some right there on the wing. So, all right, well, thank you for watching. We'll see if we can't get it repaired, and we'll report back. Bye-bye.